Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirTags 4-pack. And with this one I ordered online. So I got the free engraving. So if you look at the front, got there, nothing on the sides, nothing on the top. If you look at the back, AirTag 4-pack, some other languages, a whole bunch of stuff that nobody really reads, and then just the usual codes for all those Android haters. Okay, then there's something here. Nice. Yeah, cool. So let's see, pull it out. User manual. Yeah. AirTag. Looks like it flips open. So here it says update to the latest iOS or iPad OS, turn on Bluetooth, and then all the other languages. So it just shows you the Bluetooth symbol, got the 4 AirTags. See there, it looks nice. And then over here it says pull the tab when ready to use, hold near device, and follow on screen instructions, and then other languages. So let's see how the engravings came out. There, got the little doggy. So if we go like this, I can see a lot of fingerprints. If I pull that out, I think it turns it on. So I won't pull that just yet. So you can see the little dog. Okay, then next up, we got, drum roll, the little heart. Same story. Try and get in the reflection. And there, little heart. And then next up, we got the thumbs up. Looks nice. And there's no actually like bumps. It's, I don't know how that is. It's not like a sticker where you can just clap it. Nice. And then drum roll. Oh, I dropped it. Usual back and the little poop. Nice. Definitely shows the fingerprints. And then front. Oh, clear. Nice. Cool. So what do you guys think? Anybody have them? What do you use them for? For me, one will be for the car keys. So both cars. And then I think maybe a bag or a wallet. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I might even keep one in the car. I thought about putting one on the dog. Maybe just tracking, but I don't know. We'll see. Cool. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any questions or comments, or drop it down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Cheers.